Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and here I am about to give you a free gift. It sells for $97, but today it's a 100% free. 100% free today internet marketing bundle, which consists of 2 courses and 2 books, and it's just for a limited time. It's free, and you can get it at Anthony'sFreeGift.com. And I'm Anthony Maynard, that's me there. And here's the courses here. See this, the Lost Code and High Ticket Mastery are both by Brendan Mace and by John Armstrong. 2 big internet marketers, both millionaires. This is about not selling low ticket, but selling items for anything from $97 up to $397, you know. So not the $17 and $10 and $5 and all that kind of stuff. No, this is by Brendan Mace and John Armstrong, and they teach you that. And High Ticket Mastery this is selling the high ticket stuff, which is, you know, $4.99 up to $9.99 and beyond, and up to $3,000. Right, this is what this one's about. Right, so this is high ticket. And this is where Brendan Mace says that where they make their money, and John Armstrong as well. So he says about how much they make, 50,000 a month, and sometimes 100,000 a month, the 2 of them together. So which is, you know, I mean, they're millionaires, you know, so they make a lot, right? Okay. And then there's this the book Email Marketing for Beginners, right? And you know, all about email marketing and what's involved in it. What you need and everything else. That's book number 1, and book number 2 is e-commerce, e-commerce for newbies, step by step, and it's you know, what you need to have, and what with regards to e-commerce and how it works and who are the major players, and everything about everything about e-commerce. What's necessary in e-commerce, you know, to have an e-commerce store. You know, this is what this is about. Okay, so and it's 100% free, like I said today. There's no cost here. Not after your money, not looking for anything to not looking to get paid or anything like that, so you don't have to worry. All you need to do, if you want to get your copy of these 2 courses and the 2 books, is to go to Anthony's Free Gift and grab your copy, and the link will be in the description of this video and in the first comment, so in one of the comments below the video as well. Okay, so get your free copy today. You know, there's nothing to lose here. It's not going to cost you any money at all, so why not just have a go at it, because 2 millionaires are on these first 2 here, the Lost Code and High Ticket, and these 2 books are also great value as well. So this is a high value bundle, so get your copy today. Okay, get your copy today. Yeah, okay, and I will see you again, and thank you for watching, and subscribe to the channel if you like this video, and you like what I'm offering, and click the notification bell. And thank you again. Bye for now.